Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Monday, March 30th, and we're going to take a look at the Dow futures, and more specifically, why one of the reasons that's behind this rally that we have here today. It's worked out very nicely. Now, if you look at what the Dow did last week, we ended up selling off very nicely off of some weak momentum here on the weeklies and on a daily bearish divergence as well. It worked out really well. And now what we've done is we came right down to just about to the tick and ran right into this trend line here, tested this trend line as support, and now have since bounced right back up. So what we're watching with the Dow now is going to be, okay, where are we going to break out of? Because we're in a bit of consolidation on the weeklies inside of a pennant pattern. So the support is going to be down this week. It'll be down at about 17,515. Resistance is going to be up at around 18,110, 18,115, right around there. So what we do is we watch for the breakout. Now, if we break out up, we need to see increasing momentum when we break out. So we want to see the momentum start to roll over to the upside using the MQ momentum indicator. Or if we're going to break down, we want to see it continue to stay red, and we want to see this start to accelerate to the downside. So that's the setup I'm watching right now. So far, for those of you that were in the trading room today and you took the longs off of the bull flags on the 120s, those have worked out really well. The market's still up. Now, the other interesting thing is the correlation between the indices and bonds. We're going to be watching bonds as well, because on the weekly basis, bonds actually look somewhat bearish. So we're going to be watching bonds to potentially move lower. Now, it's not saying it's a sell right now or anything like that, but if you look at where we are on the weeklies, see our momentum, it's died off quite a bit here. We've gone all the way up overvalued or upper yellow price bar segment here in 30-year Treasury bond. We've very weak momentum, so if we can break through the 8 EMA and break through last week's lows down at 162 and 8, then we could see bonds really start to sell off again back down around the 156, 155 area once more. So it's another thing to be watching. And if that happens, then I would expect the indices to break to the upside. So that's all I have for you for today. I look forward to seeing you tonight in the weekly Outlook session for all of our Platinum and Gold members, End of Day members, and Platinum members. And then also don't forget, tomorrow night is Mark Helwig's workshop. If you go to valuecharts.com/March, you can sign up for that. That's all for today, and until next time, happy trading.